This is the best question that UPSC has asked in CSAT 2023. P, Q, R and S are distinct single digit positive numbers. Then what is the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S? See, I will tell you the basic of this question and the trick to solve such kind of question. See, if I have P plus Q, P, Q, R and S are distinct single digit positive numbers. Single digit positive numbers are 1. What are single digit positive numbers? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are single digit distinct positive numbers. So I have to write the greatest value of P plus Q. P plus Q means I have to take P, Q, R and S from these numbers. See, if I have to write the maximum value of this expression, then it will come from where? It will come from the greatest numbers. And what they are? 6, 7, 8, 9. So first of all, I will tell you the trick. The trick is if you have to tell the maximum value of such kind of expression, then what you will do, you will add all these numbers and divide them by 2 and square them. See, 9 plus 8 17, 7 plus 6 13, 17 plus 13 is equal to 30, 30 by 2 equal to 15, 15 square is equal to 225. So 225 is the maximum value of this expression. I will tell you the basic. You have to write the maximum value, and this will come if you will write here something and write here something, and their difference is minimum. If P plus Q, see, their difference should be minimum, their difference should be minimum, then you will get the maximum value, you will get the maximum value. So how the difference will be minimum? See, if I write equal numbers here, see, the minimum difference, the difference between two numbers will be minimum, and what the value of that minimum is 0. What it is? 0. So we don't have a number that is less than 0 if you have to tell the difference between two numbers. So we have the minimum difference is equal to 0. So how 0 will come? If same number will come from here and come from here, if the same number will come from here and same number will come from here, how we will get? See, we will have 7, 7 plus 8. If I write here 7 plus 8, I will get 15. If I write here 6 plus 9, I will get 15. I will get 15 in each case. So what the trick is, you will add all the numbers P plus Q plus R plus S, and you will divide these numbers by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So we have sum here 30. 30 by 2 is nothing, 15. So maximum value will be 15 square is equal to 225. But UPSC can do miracles in questions. How? If the number is not divisible by 2, if you learn this trick, if someone told you that this one is the trick, this one is the trick, and a maximum value is equal to 15 square, that is 225, then you will learn this trick. This one is the trick. But if if this number is not divisible by 2, then what will you do? So Here is the basic of this question. Here is the basic of this question. And what the basic is? The basic is that you have to make this difference minimum. You have to make this difference minimum, and it will be minimum when this one and this one will be equal. This one and this one will be equal. So here it will become equal. 7 plus 6, 15. So I can write it 7 plus 8, or I can write it 9 plus 6. It will be minimum. So I have 15 into 15. That is the maximum value is equal to 15 into 15. That is 2, 2, 5. If UPSC asked minimum value, UPSC asked minimum value P plus Q. I will not ask you the minimum value of this question. See, this one is your question. P, Q, R and S are distinct single digit positive numbers. Then what is the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S? You have to take four numbers. If you have to tell the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S, then you will take the greatest value from this set. There are four numbers: 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the trick is, you will add these numbers and divide them by 2. You will get 15. You will do the 15 square. It is 225. This one is the answer of this question. If I take another question, I have four numbers. I have four numbers which are 11, 12, 13 and 15 and 15. Because their sum is not, see, because their sum is not divisible by 2. Their sum is not divisible by 2. So how you will let, and these numbers are x, a, b, c, d. These numbers are a, b and d. So you have to arrange a, b, c, d in such a way that you will get, first of all, maximum value. You have to tell a plus b, and these numbers are not in sequence, c plus d, and the value should be maximum here. And again I am giving you another question in which you have to tell a plus b, a plus b into c plus d. The value should be minimum. I will trick you the Poisonous trick, Poisonous concept to solve all such kind of questions. See, to make value maximum, you have to make this difference minimum. You have to make this difference minimum. You have to make this difference minimum. And to find the minimum value of this expression, you have to find, you have to make their difference maximum. Maximum. So if you have to make this difference maximum, then you will put smallest value here and greatest value here. See, smallest value can be written from smallest number. These two are smallest number. So you can write 11 plus 12. It is 13, 23 into, and this should be the greatest. So 13 plus 5. These numbers are not in sequence. Are not in sequence. See, these numbers are not in sequence. See, you will, what you will get, you have to write the maximum value from here. You will add 3 plus 15, that is 28. You will multiply 23 plus 28, that will be the minimum value. 23 8 ja 184, I think 18 is the carry. 23 2 ja 46, then it is 64. This one is the minimum value of this expression. If you have to find the maximum value, then what you have to do, you have to made this difference, you have to made this difference minimum. You have to made this difference minimum. How you have made the difference minimum here? See, how you will make the difference minimum. See, if I take, see here what I have done, we have take the smallest and the greatest value. First of all, you have to take the smallest and the greatest value. We have taken the smallest value, we have taken the greatest value, and other two values here. See, the smallest value is 11 and the greatest value is 15. So 11 plus 15 is nothing but 26 into other two numbers, 12 plus 13 is 25, is equal to 25 into 26 is nothing but 650. 650 will be the, it is 694 or 644. 644. It is 644. 6. So I have told you all the possibility of this question. So 650 will be the maximum value of this. 650 will be the maximum and 644 will be the minimum. So if I write a random any four numbers, first of all I write 12, then I write 15, then I write 13, and I write 21, and I consider them A, B, and they are not in sequence. They are not in sequence, and you have to write the maximum value of A plus C into B plus D. These numbers are not in sequence, guys. I'm telling you, you have to write the maximum value. So what will you do? You will make this difference minimum. You will make this difference minimum. So how you will make? You will add the smallest and the greatest value. 12 plus 21. 12 plus 21 is equal to 33 into 13 plus 15 is equal to 28. This one will be the greatest value because this one will be the least difference between these two numbers. This one is the least difference, that is 1. We cannot make it 0 because the sum of the digits, sum of these numbers is not divisible by 2. If the sum is divisible by 2, then we make exact a perfect square. So here the difference is 5. So can you make the difference less than 5? Is it possible? It is not possible. So what you will do, you will take least and largest number, then other two number here. See, if I multiply them, 28 3 is 84, carry 8, and 28 3 is 84, 84 plus 8 is 92. 924 is the maximum value. I am not giving you any trick. I am not giving you any trick. I am giving you the damn concept. If you have to write the minimum value of a plus b, a plus b, c plus d, minimum value, then this difference would be maximum. This difference would be maximum. And how you will maximize the difference? How you will maximize this difference? You will take least two values, 12 plus 13, 25 into, and another greatest two numbers is 36. 25 6 is 150, carry 15, 25 3 is 75 plus 15, that is 90. So 90 is the least value and 924 is the greatest value. So this one is all about the concept of this question.